Hi guys, let's cook lentil today. As you can see guys, this is my lentil and it's already boiled and cooked. It's already cooked. Let's saute our lentil and let's start with our ginger. The ginger. Our onions. These are onions. Just mix it nicely guys. Cook it down. And this is our minced garlic. I like using a lot of garlic guys. Let's add our chicken cube guys. And make sure that it's nicely melted. And now we're going to add our chicken. This is our chicken. We need to saute it nicely as well. Yep. And we cook this down guys until it's nicely brown. Now our chicken is nicely toasted guys. As you can see, it's nicely brown. I like it this way. Now we can add our lentil. Yep. Okay. It's our lentil. So we just mix it nicely guys and let it come into a nice boil. Just cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes guys and that's it. But for now we're going to add our salt. This is our salt. Not too much guys so it's not salty. To your taste. Add your salt to your taste guys. Okay. Now that it's boiling, just mix a little bit and this is it guys. Serve and enjoy. So that's it guys. That's my lentil with chicken. Yummy yummy. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. Bye.